One small tip, very easy, but a little bit. If you have the trunk switch not working for some reason, it just doesn't operate, but you can still unlock the trunk with the key fob. It works, but the switch doesn't. Quickly check this button here, which is the valet button. This guy here, check it doesn't have a light on it, and maybe just circle it with ignition on. Click on it, you will see a red light, means the switch is deactivated. So if the red light is on, that switch will not operate. So that's really a very quick and easy check. And while there, if you want to play with these buttons, these are really easy to undo. You have this small plastic cover, but be really careful with it because it's very fragile. So maybe try with a butter knife to pry it off gently around the top of it. And if you want to go junkyard, grab some more buttons from other cars maybe. Also you need this trim to have openings, and you may get your car looking a little bit nicer this way. I don't think they will operate. I don't think it's either a problem, but if you think it's a problem to have buttons installed, if you don't have the optional equipment, just let us know. But otherwise you can put plenty of them. Again, with the light off, the switch is working properly. If you turn it off, the light is on. Also you will get a valet lock on, and when you depress it with ignition on, right, you depress it back, the switch is working now again, and the valet lock is off. So leave it like this.